Hello, my name is Ken Tyler, and I am the owner of TemperaturePro Heating and Air Conditioning. TemperaturePro is a local, family-owned and operated company serving Ozaukee, Washington, Milwaukee, and Waukesha counties. We service and repair all makes and models, and when it comes time to replace your furnace or air conditioner, we can do that too. What makes TemperaturePro different than all the other heating, ventilation, and air conditioning contractors out there? The answer is simple. It's our people.
Hi, I'm Mary, and I'm the office manager. What I like most about TemperaturePro is the atmosphere here at work. I believe in the company mission as well, and I love helping customers.
Hi, my name's Carl, and I'll be doing your install today.
What I like about this industry is providing a service to the customers. We bring the good Mother Nature along, because when it's hot outside, we bring the AC, and when it's cold outside, we bring the heat.
If you ever have any questions about your heating and cooling needs, give us a call at TemperaturePro.
It's our knowledge combined with our compassion that allow us to deliver unparalleled customer service. Our goal is to attend to the details and go above and beyond to ensure we exceed the customer's expectations every day. In addition, at TemperaturePro, we believe in upfront pricing, so you won't get any surprises the day of installation with a bill for additional or unforeseen circumstances. We do our due diligence up front and ask all the right questions to ensure you get everything you want with your new heating and cooling system and nothing you don't. Check us out on Google, Angie's List, Home Advisor, Facebook, or Yelp. The reviews speak for themselves. Wherever you look, the results are the same. Hundreds of 5-star reviews that will give you added confidence that TemperaturePro is the right choice for all your heating and cooling needs. Trust TemperaturePro with your installation today and sleep in comfort tonight.